saw something in the trees here, so I decided to turn around and see what it was. I can see that it's still there, so I turn around again to get close. I turn off my engine and just coast up in hopes I don't scare it off. I was hoping to get close enough to get a decent video without scaring it. After taking this video, I decided to go home and get my camera and hope when I got back it would still be there. I got lucky. I hope you enjoy the picture I got as much as I did. What a beautiful bird. Here it is.